How to manage BeReal storage. If you're trying to reduce the storage inside of BeReal or trying to manage it, in this video, let me show you how it is done. Now you can manage your BeReal storage primarily by deleting your individual posts or clearing the app cache. So if you head over to the profile section on the bottom right, you'd be able to see all of your posts inside of this section. Also, you can view them through the memories section, which is this calendar icon. You can go through individual posts like this and then tap on the three dotted line on the top right and then tap on Delete My BeReal. This way you're going to remove BeReal posts from your app and it will reduce your storage. What you can also do is tap on the settings icon on the top right and then head over to others. Here you'll see the option called clear cache. Clearing the cache deletes temporary data that the app has downloaded, which can significantly reduce your storage. So just tap on this option and your cache will be cleared out. So by using these two methods, you'll be able to manage your storage inside of BeReal. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.